Hey everyone, it's Don from Crux Terminatus back with a video about one of the most common questions that you can be asked as a YouTube content creator for minis, and that is, how do you strip paint off of minis that maybe you've bought second hand or off eBay, or someone's given them to you, or whatever it happens to be. This method will protect your minis, and as you can see from this one, it's a resin dreadnought, and this is the magic sauce: isopropyl alcohol, 99.9%. It won't damage resin, plastic or metal, whereas acetone just eats plastic alive. So slosh a little bit into a sandwich bag. I used one from Morrison's because it had a zip seal on it, and just dunk all your pieces that you want to do. If you want to do it in a plastic Tupperware box, that's probably better, but I didn't have one and I just wanted to do this one as an example. And all I'm going to do is make sure that everything gets a little coating of it. I'm going to shake it around, slosh it around, make sure everything at least gets coated a couple of times, and I can pick it up and I do this again and again, maybe 3 or 4 times over a space of half an hour. And then this comes the fun part. You're going to need a toothbrush, and I would actually go for 2 gloves because you'll see why in a second. I get covered in it. Also, pro tip, don't wear your good jeans because if you scrub stuff off with a toothbrush, it ends up going everywhere. However, you can see here that the yellow paint was put on top of a black primer, a white primer, probably a rattle can one, because it was really tough to come off. But the isopropyl alcohol just eats through it, and every so often just dip your brush into a little tub of isopropyl again and just keep it coming clean. Now you'll see black and yellow equals khaki, or olive drab as it's known. I didn't know that until I started doing this. So soon everything gets covered in this lovely olive drab colour. So if you want to do raptors, fill your boots. But for anyone who wants to do a different colour, always keep a little tub of isopropyl there, and I just dip my toothbrush in it, and you can see it's not stained the resin at all. It's just I'm working on that. So I stick it in a second bag just to give it a second clean. So that's the first bag, and it looks horrible in there. Probably a health and safety hazard, so don't be breathing that stuff in. And then I had a second sandwich bag which just took this sort of olive drab paint off, and that was it. So once you've cleaned it maybe twice or whatever, you're left with effectively brand new Forge World resin. And obviously you will have to prime this, probably with a rattle can. That's always best for Forge World stuff anyway. But you get to start all over again, and you've rescued a very valuable model from looking rubbish. So thanks guys, cheers, see you later, bye bye.